Hi everyone, my name is Haley Morgan, and I will be answering 3 out of the 5 topics in the meteorology video presentation for this assignment. The first topic is describe the formation of precipitation and explain the differences in rain, snow, sleet, and hail. So, precipitation is formed by millions of water vapor droplets that are suspended in the air, and they build up inside of the Earth's clouds in the atmosphere. When the water vapor collects inside of the clouds with other things such as dust, the materials get condensed and precipitation begins to form inside of the clouds. Once the cloud gets too full of this water vapor, the precipitation is let go from the cloud, and that is what gives us our rain. Rain, snow, sleet, and hail are all different forms of precipitation that vary in effects, causes, and characteristics. Rain is formed when clouds have too much water vapor and release the precipitation that is being held inside. This rain can vary from light drizzles to heavy drops. Snow is formed when water vapor turns into ice without even going through the liquid stage of the water cycle. Sleet is a little different. Sleet is small, clear balls of ice that are much smaller than hail. They often bounce on the ground when they hit, and they don't do any damage. Now, on the other hand, hail occurs when thunderstorms carry raindrops upward into very cold areas in the atmosphere and then turn into ice. This frozen form of precipitation must have a diameter larger than 5 millimeters to be considered hail. Hail can be very damaging, as we know, to roofs, to cars, to just anything that's laying out during this hailstorm, as we know here in Oklahoma. The second topic is define air mass and describe how they are classified. In relation to air masses, describe why Oklahoma in particular is susceptible to these tornadoes. So air mass can be defined as a large body of air that is characterized by a sameness of humidity and temperature. How are air masses classified? Air masses are classified according to the temperature and the moisture characteristics of their source region. So the question is, why is Oklahoma so susceptible to tornadoes? Oklahoma, as we know, has many tornadoes throughout the year. This is because Oklahoma is in the direct position of the tornado alley. Other states that are in Tornado Alley are South Dakota, Nebraska, Kansas, and part of Texas. The Great Plains allow a lot of cold air from the Arctic, and this mixes with the warm air from the Gulf of Mexico. When warm, moist air collides with cold air, tornadoes have the potential to form. The last topic is, why is lifting of air important? Discuss 2 processes of lifting. Lifting of air is important because it is the key process to producing precipitation and the formation of clouds. Orographic lifting is one process that occurs when air cannot go through a mountain, so it flows over it, causing a natural but needed lift in the air. On the other hand, convergence lifting is when air near the Earth's surface flows together and is pushed upward when it is squeezed together.